Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we are going to look into the one of the most important topics in C programming, operators, which make the application perform mathematical, relational and logical operations. And in this video, we are going to see how to use arithmetic operators in C. Let's look it with an example. In my VS Code, I am creating a new C program named arithmetic.c. Now let's include the header file stdio.h. I am going to use both printf and scanf. Now let me create a main function. Inside the main function, I am creating a variables a, b and c. I am not assigning any values. I am going to read it from user input. Now to get the user input, I am going to create a printf statement to display enter a number. In the next line, I am going to create a scanf to read number. As we know, we should use %d to read integer variable. And to store it, we are using ampersand a. It means the address of a. I am creating another printf to display the message enter another number. And in the next line, I am adding another scanf to read the integer variable to b. Here I have given ampersand b, that is the address of b. And in the next line, I am adding a and b with addition operation plus and assigning the result to variable c. Now c will have the sum of a and b. And in the next line, I am adding an printf with sum equal to %d to print the result. Let's save the program. And to compile, in the terminal window, type gcc space arithmetic.c, then press enter. And to run the program, in the same terminal window, type /a.exe as we are in the Windows. Let me give two numbers 5 and 2 as input one by one. We can see the output sum equal to 7 because 5 plus 2 is 7. Now let me do some changes to this program. I am changing the operator to minus. Now the value of b will be subtracted from a and stored in c. Let's recompile and run the program now. Again, I am giving the 5 and 2 as input. Now you can see the subtracted value 3 in the output. Again, I am changing the operators to asterisk. This will multiply two numbers. Let's rerun the program. Again, I am giving 5 and 2 as input. Now we can see the multiplied value 10 as the result. Now I am changing the operator to divider. This operator will divide the first number with second number and produce the quotient as result. Let's rerun the program. I am giving 5 and 2 again as input. You can see the result 2 When 2 divides 5, the quotient is 2. Let me change the operator to modulo operator. This operator will divide the first number with the second number and produce the remainder as the result. This is the difference between divide and modulo operator. Let's save and rerun the program. Now giving 5 and 2 as inputs. We can see 1 as result. After dividing 5 by 2, 1 will be the remainder value. So, in today's video, we saw about arithmetic operators in C. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you in the next video.